one of my favorite video, and I love to speak about this. I know you hear about Syria by culture, by monuments, by tradition, old Damascus, everything that tourists come to visit, but none of you know the nature of Syria, for sure. And actually, I'm as a Syrian man, I wasn't know all of this. I wasn't know that there is a wonderful nature in my country, Syria, until I made my camp for 4 days here with a group of people, and I live in nature. I see the nature of Syria. When I came here, I started making my own tent from the wood, cutting the wood from the tree and making my own tent, sitting around the fire at the night. Not only I want to tell you that about the other side of Syria, I want to tell you about my camping trip. But now what you should do, would you please press the subscribe button and like, and leave for me a comment that encourage me to complete making fucking video. Okay, let's go on our topic. Today I want to tell you about the other side of Syria, which is the nature.
There's lots of forests here in Syria, and it's very incredible, beautiful, lots of river. It's a very incredible place. This is the other side of Syria, the bright side.
For the last 3 years, Syria have been through a bad period of time. The war and the disaster, the economic disaster, and lots of problem. And people get poor, they don't have enough money for pay. People abroad start thinking about Syria in a negative way, and the opposite of the reality. Syria is a great country with a great culture, with a great history, and a great nature, as I will show you. That's why I make this video. I want to show you the other side of my country, Syria. This side, the beautiful side, the pride side actually.
Syria is one of the most beautiful countries around the world, of nature, of culture, of monuments. And here around me there's a castle. It's building in one stone and under the ground. The name of it is the cave castles, because it's many caves, and they make it as a palace, as a castle actually, not a palace. No, palace is different. As a castle, and it's very old one, under the ground, building in one stone. It's, by the way, it's the only one in the Middle East building under the ground. I go there, like, it looks like a fucking scary down. Like, the room under the ground, the caves, is very dark, black, you don't see anything. There's some rooms, if you get down, you will not get back. Like, you stay down in the room, only in the cave. Like, it's very hard to get out of it. anything will happen because lots of people around us and we feel safe actually. But the adventure is adventure. Yes, I love adventures and I go for a walk at night, taking my lights and go for a walk in some places. There's two sides here. Sides, we are on the right of the river, I go for the left. In the night I'm the only one. In the morning lots of people go for getting wood for fire. Actually every single morning I go for getting wood. You have supplies of food for the evening, for making the fire, and you cooking by yourself. You're doing every single things by yourself. Like it's like a responsible guy here. Responsible guy with no problem, with no life problem. Like really, it's very good, and it's helped me so much. The meditate and the sitting with my own self, order my things again and again, think about a new audio, new videos, writing new scripts, photographing this fucking video here, and this is really helping me. And I think when I go back for home, I will have a clear mind, not thinking, not as before, like what the hell is happening. Like I wasn't focusing with any things before. I was very depressed, in a bad mood. Okay, we maybe fucking forget our main idea, which is the other side of Syria. What I exactly showed you is the nature here, the river, and the castle, the caves castles. And what I will show you now is many video shows I took here, and I will make you see it with some of the music. So see you after minutes. Thank you very much for complete this video. If you really reach my videos in YouTube, I'm really glad that people watch this. And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a new video creator, making travel video and self-development. I want to inspire someone and change someone's life. So leave a comment, leave a nice comments for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate that you complete for the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe and comments and like, and goodbye. See you in the next video.